Alright guys, so this is the unboxing of my MOTOG5S Plus. So let's get started. So guys, this is the device itself. Dual rear camera, 13.5, and it's got all the latest features. Let's keep it aside and see what's inside. Some quick start guides, we get a basic headphone, the normal earphone with some buttons, and this is the turbocharger, turbo power, and this is normal USB to micro USB cable. The cable quality is pretty good, and we got the SIM ejector tool, and so that's it in the box. So let's quickly start this up. Let's put the sticker. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. As you can see over there, let me focus. Yeah, can you see the dust particles inside the camera lens in the both of the camera? The right one is little bit more and the left one is little bit less. So Amazon has sent a defective product, so I'm going to replace this and hope I will get a new one. Just go to the Amazon website page and click on view orders and just click on return or replace, and then give a call on their technician number and they will call you back, and one technician will visit at your home and will diagnose your product, and if they find it defective they will replace it within 48 hours. That's it, no need to worry about. Thanks for watching.